Wow! Welcome to Cebu! Bossing! Boss! Tsaka pala boss. Dali. So, we've just arrived in Cebu.
Oh, touchdown, Cebu.
So, I'm now trying pianono. What's the taste of the pianono?
Very, very sweet.
Very, very sweet. Wow!
Ganun mo, para mangyari.
Wow! Ginagawa mo?
What the hell?
Ako ang nauna. On the way to Cebu Mercado.
I swear.
Wow!
Been everything. The two apart.
Everybody out together!
Ano pong tawag?
Sabaw, ma'am.
Go, go.
Salam.
Hop!
Salam.
Dadahin niya pa?
Anong binili mo? Pork chop na hindi nauubos? Yes. Sikat-kat na gado. Squid. Calamares. Ito, lechong kawali. Ikaw, how's your tuslabua?
That is me!
So, nandito kami ngayon sa Santo. So, nandito lang kami. We're waiting for cake. Ang dami.
The next day.
Hello everyone. It's 4 a.m. and we are on the way to Mowogo. Morning person number 1. First morning person number 2. And number 3 and number 4. Oh.
What's been on my mind? I wanna be I'll be fucked up if you can't be right, yeah. I do the same thing I told you that I never would. I told you I changed, even when I knew I never
Punta na kaming Kawasan. We're done mag-sardines and pawikan. Talaga naman, ilang pawikan nun nakita mo. Tanungin nga natin siya. Ikaw, ilang pawikan na nakita mo?
Dami.
Ay, nandun sa ano?
Balat natin yan kaya. Lagay natin.
Patayin mo daw!
Wow, ito, pogi lang sa gilid. Sira.
What's been on my mind? I wanna be
The following day.
ang galaw mo eh. Hindi ginagalaw, ma-immediate niya yan.
Pero ano kaya? Try mo din piitin mo natin.
Ayun na.
Ayun na.
Mahal na way shirt nun. Napanood ko si Fermin eh.
Breakfast muna. There. Almost 5. We're done sa ticket. Ito ba tanding oh?
Day 2 agad ng vlog. Kasama ko po yung mga pinsan kong pangit. Ito, kapatid ko. Ito yung cover ng kapatid ko. Nag-post sa YouTube channel niya, intro lang, di na nasundan.
Hi guys, dito kami ngayon sa Whale Shark. Napunta kayo dito. What the hell? 3 AM?
We're in Oslo with our tita Yakult. Tita Yakult. Day 2 vlog.
Hello. Welcome to Oslo.
Finding point. Ay, Nemo. Hello.
If I got 2 small chicks and a bright pink lips, baby, would you want it to kiss me? Maybe thin ass waist with a bright long hair, baby, would you want it to hold me? No, you never. No, I'm never gonna get them all. Yeah, that's what makes me feel lonely. Always never. It can never ever happen to me, 'cause I'm that girl, talk girly. Boy, I got a small girl fantasy. Baby, would you still love me? Though I got a big love, big voice and big personality, would you guarantee? No, you got a small girl fantasy. Baby, would you still love me? Though I got a big love, big voice and big personality, would you guarantee?
It was at this moment that she knew. She fucked up.
favorite guest ko eh. Wow!
Sabi ko, I love Cebu!
Where did you learn what it means to reciprocate? And how much can I be expected to tolerate? So I started to think about the plans I made the day unpaid, and you just can't call a spade a spade. I watched the moon, let it run my mood, can't stop thinking of you. I watched you, so nice to know you. I'll be moving on.
Oh, galit sila. Okay, nagpi-feature. Yung... Tignan mo.
Chika, yeah. Ay, mga
Wow, ito na mga ano, influencers.
A primitive little primate, the tarsier. It would sit comfortably in your hand. Their big round eyes are bigger than their stomach, giving the tarsier superb eyesight.
Walk on taas mo na. Ganon. Makikita mo sa imagine mo, success ka eh. Biglang kang sumakses eh. Dito, step by the step pala.
Thank you. Collections. Can I see your collection?